In this video today, I'll be discussing what you're allowed to do in the United States as a Canadian business visitor. My name is Jeremy Richards, and I am a U.S. immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik, where we dedicate our practice solely to U.S. immigration law. In today's video, I'll be discussing what you're allowed to do in the United States as a Canadian business visitor. In general, Canadians are what is referred to as visa exempt. In other words, they don't require a visa to enter the United States for most legitimate business visitor purposes. These visits to the United States must fall under certain criteria in order to qualify as a business visitor. The stay is generally limited to no more than 6 months, often much less than that. Most of the time when somebody's coming in as a business visitor, they're coming for a few days, weeks at a time, generally not for months at a time. If the duration of your stay in the United States is excessive, it could trigger the border officer to believe that you're doing much more than just taking care of business in the United States, that you might be working, that you might be living, something of that nature that would fall outside of a business visitor. Your visit to the United States must fall within certain legitimate business activities, and it cannot involve productive employment in the United States. If you will be working in the United States and being compensated for the labor that you're performing in the United States that benefits a U.S. entity, then in most cases it will require a work visa in order to perform that labor in the United States. The most common reasons we see a Canadian business visitor coming to the United States are, first, to service an after-sales contract. So there was a contract that was entered into between a U.S. entity and a Canadian entity to service machinery, to service software, hardware, whatever it might be, and it's part of an after-sales service agreement. Second, an investor coming to the United States to take steps to establish their investment in the United States, to look for properties, potential properties to purchase in the United States, to enter into sales and purchase agreements, and take the steps necessary in order to establish their investment in the United States. And typically that would fall under what is called the E-2 visa. Third, a foreign employee or owner of a foreign company coming to the United States to take steps to establish an affiliate, subsidiary, or branch office in the United States in order to qualify for an L-1 visa, to transfer from the foreign entity to the U.S. entity. So entering as a business visitor in order to take steps to be able to get into the position to qualify for that visa. This is a general overview of what a Canadian business visitor can do in the United States. There are many more exceptions that also apply. If you're a business professional in Canada looking to do business in the United States, it is best to seek the advice of an attorney before you seek entry to the U.S. to see whether or not the exemptions apply to you, or if you actually need a visa to do what you're doing in the United States. We help Canadians all the time to come to the United States to do business. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching and have a great day.